Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTier, and I'm coming to you all today with another coming soon how to make or DIY video. All right, so I know those of you, I know y'all remember these. I did a haul on these maybe about a week ago. So I'm coming to you all to tell you that we, yes, we are going to be making something using these here wood beads. For those of you who missed that video, I did a haul on these last week, I believe, and I got these from Michael. Okay, Michael's. So Michael does have these. As a matter of fact, let me show you who makes them. The people that makes them is called Creatology. Those are the people who make these beads, okay? You get 1 pound. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe these were like $8. I think they were like $8 or $9. But like I said, I did get these from Michael's. I will be uploading a how to make DIY video on something that I created tomorrow, okay? So be on the lookout for that video tomorrow. All right, so I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me. I also want to say thank you to my new subscribers and my loyal supporters. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you all. Could you please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, a like, and a share. And until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.